Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Today, I'm going to share my personal experience. Why I bought Aptus lately. Let's dig in. Spot Bitcoin ETFs see nearly $100 billion in net outflows as stocks tumble on Trump's tariff news. US stock markets experienced a COVID like shock, recording their worst day since June 2020. In short, blood is everywhere in the market. You know what's going on right now. Why are we investing cryptocurrencies? In order to make money. How to make money? It should be buy low and sell high. Even Warren Buffett needs to buy low, sell high in order to make money. I don't know where the bottom or peak is on the bot. I don't know the timing. But what I know is now is a great time to accumulate more Bitcoin and even prime altcoins. So I bought Bitcoin and Aptos and several other altcoins lately. Let me explain why in a sec. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP set for a near-term bounce as attention turns to rate cuts. Data shows markets are pricing in 4 rate cuts this year. 4. 25 basis points each in June, July, September, and December. In the second half of this year, 4 rate cuts. This usually occurs when a central bank lowers interest rates to stimulate economic growth by making borrowing cheaper. When do you think Federal Reserve lower interest rates? Whether when US economy is strong or US economy is weak and fragile. The latter. When US economy looks very weak and fragile, they have to lower rates and print money in advance to prevent the US economy from just collapsing. Trump is, I believe, he is pushing Federal Reserve Fed Chair Jerome Powell to lower rates. He might say to himself, J. Powell, don't you see the markets are crashing right now? Low rates, rate is too high. BlackRock securitized expand $1.7 billion tokenized money market fund Beetle to Solana. I believe BlackRock will apply for Solana Spot ETF shortly, as well as XRP ETF. What else is? Back in November last year, BlackRock expanded tokenized fund Beetle beyond Ethereum to 5 new blockchains. Every asset will be tokenized on which rails, such as on Aptos, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Optimism, Polygon, as of last year. Currently speaking, there are 7 blockchains in which BlackRock's Beetle Fund is available on. And among those, Aptos, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Ethereum, Optimism, Polygon, Solana. I bought these 4 altcoins: Aptos, AVEX, Polygon, and Solana. I already held most of this, but for the first time, I bought Aptos because I want to make money. In order to make money, I have to buy low and sell high. Why is BlackRock expanding Beetle? BlackRock's expansion of Beetle Fund to more blockchains reflects the growing adoption of blockchain-based financial products. I believe for the next 5 years, most blockchains chosen by Wall Street giants such as BlackRock, Fidelity, Franklin Templeton, those chains will be used globally, which will increase the value of the networks, aka chosen chains. When you take a look at this Aptos price chart, it looks very easy to me to buy some more because buy low, sell high, buy low here, sell high, buy low, and sell high. And I assume that this is a good time to buy the dip, right? I shared my story. Which coins, even altcoins, did you buy during a recent pullback? If any, tell me your story as well. Thank you for listening.